Hello 11th class, you're welcome in physical education class. So today we will discuss misconception about physical education. There are so many misconception about physical education. Even generally, especially in India, people or parents, they think it's a waste of time. Nothing in physical education or in games in sports, but this is not true. Yes, we can say it was true when it was true in the olden time, but that time no scope, that's why, no knowledge, that's why. But in present time it has been changed. Even parents and people think, even one proverb also they say like that, पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब. पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब. So this is the misconception, but in the present time it is changed. you know they, most of the parents or people, they think it's waste of time in physical education or games and sports. That's why they do not send their children to play. They think if they will study, so they will achieve. Definitely they will achieve, but games and sports provide the freshness, re-energy. But in present time, lack very less physical work we are lacking here. So that's why it is more important in present time. It provide the energy, that means re-energize the energy, recreate the energy. That's why it is important. Long hours of study, you know academic burdens since morning, since you are busy in studying, no physical work, and suddenly we are providing games and sports. It's provide the freshness, energy. So that's why it is important, but it's a misconception. But generally it is not a waste of time, it is utilize of the time. So this is first conception, waste of time. If they think if will spend time on the study, so they will achieve. They can achieve, no problem, but time management, they can spend time in play also. So it recreates energy, physical fitness. It is has been said, you know sound mind dwells in a sound body. It is important. Sound mind dwells in a sound body. So this is first conception. Second question, misconception, already few misconception given in your book. Second we can discuss here. Physical education is nothing but to play. Physical education is nothing. That means physical is education is nothing, zero, but to play, only play. No. But when it will be true? When since morning to you are playing. But somewhere you may be the defaulters, you may be the responsible. If parents or teachers gives time to play, so you will not utilize the time. If you are utilizing time to in play, so definitely it is not waste. It is not only play, it depend on your schedule, timetable. It provide the, not only the games, it provides the knowledge, theoretical knowledge. It consists of different subjects: biomechanics, physiotherapy, sports journalism. It's combine the subjects. Physical education also combine the subjects. It's provide anatomy and physiology, sports sociology. So it is also kind of subject which you can achieve in your life. through this subject. But this is generally they think, because it is depend on their knowledge. They don't know what is it, how they will do it, because they are not aware about their, you can say, proper knowledge. They don't have proper knowledge. That's why they think it is only play, nothing else. But it is misconception. Biomechanics, sports sociology, sports psychology, sports journalism, sports engineering. This is combines the subjects. It's combine the other subject also. Another point also comes in the mind of the parents. It creates indiscipline. Generally, what happens when it creates indiscipline? When you are not playing under observation of coach or anybody, under the guidance. If parents give you, if parents, when they give time to play, so but you don't think how much time you will be playing there. If they allow, so you will be start playing since morning to evening. So this is waste of time. But time to time, but it depend on your timetable schedule, then you can achieve from this way. And when you are playing under the rules and regulation, so definitely it does not create the indiscipline, it creates discipline. It's a way. Physical education is a way to develop the discipline. You can play the match, any match, like not when you are playing among with your friends, when you are playing the state levels, national level, say under guideline, and they play under the observation, rules and regulation. You must follow the rules and regulation, so you can play well. That in, it will not create indiscipline. It makes the game schedule in systematic way. So this is, we cannot say, so it is not a true. You know, when we will you make a sentence, rectify the headings, you had rectify the topic. Suppose it's create the discipline, so you rectify why it cannot be create indiscipline, because it makes systematic life under the rules and regulation. Okay, another point which is given in your book, wastage of money. It comes first, wastage of money. This is, everybody is running behind the money, so it is important. If we will spend time and we will spend the money in this field, if we will not achieve, definitely. But if we cannot say for the future, but no, they can earn money also. If they will achieve in this field, by playing they can achieve lot of money also, they can make money. So we cannot say it's a wastage of money. They can, you know you can see the example of the players who are national or international player, how much they are earning the money. Dhoni, Virat Kohli, Messi, Ronaldo, they are earning the money through the games and sports, and through the advertisement they are getting, they are the get, earning money through the different of advertisements. So we cannot say wastage of money. It is a utilize of the money if they will achieve something. So it's a misconception. Okay. Another point which is given in your book, physical education helps in physical education develops only the physical development. That means only physical development through the physical education, but not mental development, not. But no, it's not wrong. It's true. It's true. No, it's wrong. Only through this physical activities you can develop your mind also. Especially in the present time, again we are coming the same topic. Since morning to evening, night, you are busy in your academics. You are coming to school, you are reading books and all, busy all the time, then you are going to tuitions all the time, no work for the physical fitness. So when the time physical fitness is zero, so it is important to provide freshness to your mind. If mind or brain will be fresh, then you can do good for your next stage, next step. Because only I have already told you, sound mind dwells in a sound body. So neuromuscular coordination we already discussed, it develops. So we cannot say only the physical development, it's a mental development also. Recreational group, through the recreational games we can develop, you know, it's awareness, it build up awareness, presence of mind. Okay, so another point which is less career opportunities. Less career opportunities means no job, but no, lots of job. You know that when you will go in this round, you know, even in our one student also doing work in this line, sports journalism. One day he met me and he told me, sir, whatever you told me, it was applying their notes and all, because he is working in sports journalism. So this is one job for their sports journalism. Sports engineering, we'll discuss the careers options in next chapter. Journalism, broadcasting medias, okay, commentators, coaches, teachers. So how we can say this is misconception, no job in this area, but lots of job. Biomechanics through the physiotherapist, philosophy. Okay, this is the kind. Another point which is, this is last but not least, physical education only or games and sports is only the body building. We are making the muscles only. No, we are not making muscles only. It's provide the proper guideline, theoretical knowledge, so you can care yourself. You can care yourself. You can treat yourself. Provide the knowledge of first aid, medicines, anatomies, muscles. So according to, you can treat yourself. You can give easily first aid to yourself. So this is not only for the bodybuilding, it's provide nutritious balanced diet. So this is the misconception of physical education. So we can rectify through the notes, no, this is not true, it is wrong. What is true, you can tell. So I hope uh, you are, you would be understanding the topic. Most of the topics same same topics are there, so you can mention the points. So always correlate with the sports and games. So hope you will be doing your work sincerely. So bye and bye bye.